Since 2015, we stopped the implementation of promotions, increments, and lift the ban on the implementation of promotions so that all the promotions earned by the civil servants can be paid them.
The initial competition for main service came to how much? What of the teacher's own? How much will it come to?
That, we have not done any competition on that, so we need time to do that. Then we'll be able to advise you what is involved in another memo. But this memo we have here is just to lift the ban on the implementation of the promotions.
I need to be guided as to the financial cost of that decision. When I make a financial policy decision like this, I must be guided. What will this policy cost the state, and is there money? That's what.
Yes, sir.
Guide me. What is the range? How much are we looking at? For the mainstream. Yeah.
Should not be more than 30 million.
Okay.
Yes. While whatever arrears, because it takes some time to compute that, whatever arrears can be spread over.
No, I've told the labor leaders yesterday at our meeting.
Yes. So I think
that
maximum
the arrears will be paid. The arrears will be paid in arrears.
Yes. Can be paid in arrears.
But that I will want to clear it before I wind up. Yes. So whoever is coming should start on a clean slate. And I hope we'll be able to manage. These labor relations and these issues the way we have done.
And Your Excellency, what we may do once the approval is given and the MDAs have been asked to reconfirm everything, and education has also brought their figure, the head of service will still come back to you to show you the actual.
What you will do, what I will do now, I will sign and approve this policy.
Yes, sign and approve the policy.
I will approve this policy.
But the figures will come back to you.
Then you bring the one for the teachers. Yes. Because I want everybody in the public service to get their promotions and the small benefits that come with it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Maxon. This should go out, okay? Okay, so this is to say approved. To HOS, what of Chairman Civil Service Commission? You should note. You should note it. You can do a memo to him to note it. I've written approved. Deal with effect from 1st of May. Approved with effect from 1st May 2019. Okay. Okay. Is it to you or to chairman? Bring the one for the civil service now. Bring the 12 million something for civil service. With this approval, you can pay that money. What I thought so. The one for the civil service, bring it. I will approve it. So maybe by next week you finish your computation, then you come with the one for the teachers. This one is to finance. This one is to treasury now. Is it 12 million 6? They will do your own increment, huh?
Okay, sir.
This and I will approve it by
Thank you, sir.
next week.
Thank you.
If it were ready here, I would have signed it. I think you will work with them. Your board will work with them to compute it, the increments. Everybody should get their increments. Yes.
1,000 minimum wage arrears. And I think the state law is already here. Maybe you may give us the estimate.
What?
18,000 minimum wage arrears for teachers.
People, are we owing the teachers 18-month minimum wage?
Arrears.
Arrears.
Yes.
We're owing them.
I think last year, Chief of Staff, we set up a team, Chief of Staff, Commissioner of Education, and under Deputy Governor, we actually worked and reviewed that report.
Okay.
The amount is quite material.
How much?
What is outstanding should be still close to 1 billion.
1
Billion.
billion.
Yes. Because when we did 18,000 minimum wage, initially, it was for all the sectors, it was about 6 billion. For the education sector, because the education sector in 2010, 2011, like primary school, the bill was about 400 before it increased to 6. So about almost 200, 1 to 200 million on monthly basis, calculated over 6 months. So theirs was almost 1.something billion too. Now for the main service, because we're releasing 128 million every month to pay that 18,000 minimum wage.
Are we doing that every month?
Yes, well, in 2012, 2013.
Yes, we've not finished paying.
We were paying that. So the whole of main service, I think, has been cleared. For primary secondary schools, very few, I think, because NLC level TUC are also in that team before. Very few have been paid, and primary school. And because the process required re-verification, revalidation of the figures.
Okay.
So the main service was reviewed first. Because you actually directed that we should have started even with the primary and secondary schools.
Yes.
Yeah. But their process, the number was much and the amount was huge. So the review process took their own much more time.
Okay.
And then because it also involved physical verification of those persons at that time.
Of the people, yes.
Of the people at that time. And that is why the main service was faster. And that's why we're able to almost, I think that we almost covered the whole of main service. But their own was still material.
But we have to do something for the teachers now.
Yes.
I mean, if we have paid the main service, teachers have to be paid too. Yes. Teachers have to be paid. Teachers have to be paid. What I think we should do, you people should meet and advise me on modality. Have we finished clearing the one for the mainstream?
Mainstream, I think it's all.
Okay, you have all received your.
Mainstream is finished.
It's almost, eh? Okay. No. Teachers have to be. Teachers must. You know, I would have even wanted that we start. I wanted us to start with them.
Yes.
These teachers are, for me, the most important workers we have. Honestly. It's just that some of them don't go to work too. Don't go to work. Look at the people who taught us. This my sister here taught me. This is my auntie. Taught me. Taught me. Primary 3, primary 4. And that time she too was just young, shining. In fact, attracted her own fellow teacher who ended up marrying her. They are still married today. When I used to go to my teacher's house, Mr. Ugolo, she's now Dr. Mrs. Ugolo. Both of them were my teachers. Young, fresh from school, they too, you know. And with that time, teachers training.
TC2.
TC2. She had a teacher training because this is a professional person trained, olden days. But her husband went to a grammar school. He didn't go to TTC. But he had this thing, and they were teaching us. So teachers are too important. How I wish I can do more for you people before I round up my tenure. I wish, even the school buildings we are building now, there was no, the recession, we couldn't even build more again. Couldn't even build, and that time, they were even, now she has a PhD. That time, just teacher training, and they were teaching, committed, dedicated. They will be the guide, they will be the counselors, they will be the people, and that's the way. But now, all of you with the degrees and earning level 16, step 8, but the quality of the output, the quality of what you people are doing is suspect. I'll be very happy if I get a report that all our teachers are dedicated, going to work. Then tell me your problems. I will look for money and borrow to solve it. But so many teachers, they don't go to school. They don't go to work. They are collecting alerts, receive alerts. They are in Lagos. They are in Port Harcourt. Sometimes I run to some of them. They will see me in other places and come and greet. I say, are you not supposed to be working somewhere? So I just came, sir. We have to solve that problem or anchors. You should be concerned about that with NUT. It's not just about step 1 or step 3 or 5 or 8. It's a big problem. So I think what people should do is maybe create another way by which, even if we are paying it 50 million, I cannot pay the mainstream and then old teachers now. We're not fair. We have to be fair to them. We're very fair to them. Every month to pay the mainstream one. No. And these people, they are in the remotest places. Most of these mainstream people are working here and are enjoying. These teachers are in remote places working. For the few of them that are dedicated, their job is so special. I feel so attached to what they are doing. So advise me on the way, even if we are paying like 50. How much is their own? The people, you say their own is much, Abi? Like how much, roughly? 1 billion? So in these 10 months now that we have, is it even up to 10 months or 9 months?
If we have to clear it in 10 months, then it should be a minimum of 100 million. Minimum of 100 million monthly.
And our debt, the things we are doing now, the thing is shocking. But I take 50 million every month.
Okay. We actually inherited it too, sir. We inherited it too.
Yeah, I know.
It was there.
I know, it's inherited. The minimum, this arrears, it was my predecessor who approved it.
Yes.
And, but we have agreed to pay. Government is a continuum.
Yes.
And if we have paid the mainstream, we must pay the teachers. Yes. So I think with the first from this month, let's make the first deposit of 50 million.
Okay. Thank you.
If in 10 months or 9 months we get like 450, we can pay what we can pay. Government is a continuum. The next person will clear it in 5 months or 6 months or another 9 months or so. It will be all over. It's okay. It's all right. Any other thing so we can round up?
I think we will not ask for more today. But just to remind you that not too long ago, you have promised that some of our workers that have been on temporary basis, that you are going to look at the issue. We want to just remind you about it. Thank you, sir.
Yes, I gave that directive. And I think head of service, you people have been working on it now. So I think Chairman Commission, I remember both of you have tried to see me on it. Give me an update on it so that we can...
All civil servants, in appreciating your pronouncement today, For any civil servant, the ultimate is to have your promotion when due. And indeed, since the commission at the level of the Civil Service Commission went around all the MDAs, and we collated a total of 638, covering government house, all the ministries, parastatals, yeah.
All the stewards.
Yeah, everybody's included, yes. So, and you had directed the Accountant General to work out the financial.
Yes, and what did it come to?
Yeah, it came to 36,505,914 kobo monthly to be able to employ all the temporary staff who have been helping the state in various ways.
Most of them have degrees.
Not all of them. Most of them indeed are these drivers, some of these junior staff, but there are degree holders too, some of them.
Okay, what you do is break it down for me next week and bring it to me. I need to know the graduates.
Yes, sir.
And select their disciplines.
Okay, sir.
Well, I know most of them work in the Ministry of Education, eh?
Yes.
I met
exactly.
them. I met them.
Yes.
I don't see why people who are going to work should be called temporary workers and paid less. They are not fair. And they are even doing more work than the so-called permanent workers. So that has to stop. That has to stop. But before, break it down for me. Break it down, and I will discuss with you, because I want to be sure that a number of people, even within here, when I ask them, they say they are temporary. They are temporary. They are temporary. Even in assembly. So I want to be sure. Did you capture the ones in assembly too?
Assembly is captured also, yes.
So bring it to me. I want to be sure that, because I won't do it again. I want to be sure that everyone will be captured by the time I sign off. Huh?
Excellent.
But we have to put all of them, make all of them permanent. Make all of them permanent.
Thank you, sir.
Belong. May God help you and give you more wisdom to continue.